And then, nung pagpasok po ni President Bongbong Marcos, yung build, gagawin build better more. Oy, mas lalo ako na-excite. Mas dadamihan pa at magko-concentrate siya infra. Anong nangyari? Nabinbin itong yung South Long Haul and Mindanao Railway. Dapat ito, Mr. President, ako, kaibigan po. I want you to succeed because his success will be our success. Sana po, ito yung hanapan ng solusyon because pang long term po tayo. I'm looking at what will be good for the future. Hindi lang, maraming sabi, kailangan natin trabaho at hanap buhay. I think ito po talaga ang investment natin for jobs and opportunities.
So, sir, ano yung expectation mo under the leadership of Transportation Secretary Vince Dizon? Considering nakakausap mo siya, lahat ba itong mga frustration mo na nadidelay ng mga projects, may commitment na
well, I'm optimistic with Secretary Vince Dizon. No? Actually, nag-meet na kami nung a few weeks before, after he assumed office. Kasi since ako po ang malamang na mag-defend ng DOTR budget dahil medyo kabisado na rin natin yan,